you can widen that, and that'll probably tilt it a little more. You widen the bottom.
Yeah, it is funny.
Alright folks, road trip. We're 50 miles from home to the big Rural King, and they were out of most everything that we needed that we could have got in a 40-mile trip at Rural King. What? We didn't know that. About everything at Rural King that we've gone for in the last couple of days, they've been out of. They don't carry a very big supply of sediment bowls for tractors. I mean, at least not when we're there. Every time we see tons of empty shelves. But that's it, so I guess I hate to say it, we're gonna have to start ordering that kind of stuff. The only gaskets they had for tractors weren't specified as to what they were for, only a number, and they were cork. And I don't like cork gaskets. You know, I count on maybe having to remove a sediment bowl a couple of times and the rubber holds up to that. Whereas cork, I don't think does, personally. So they didn't have anything much that I needed there. So we did get chocolate covered almonds that we wanted. They didn't have kids' coats in yet. Wasn't close enough to winter, they said. Kind of ridiculous that they had adults. So anyways, guys, they were calling for rain. I don't know if we got any over home or not. The sky doesn't really look like it. We did get them rims painted, the hubs painted on the back of that D14. Of course, we're not done. I'm going to have to, highlight the rest of them with silver, but a little at a time. Every day is different this time of year. Now we're getting the rains coming like they should have been all spring and early summer. It's a little late. Still really not enough to wet our aquifers, fill our aquifers, or subsoils. I don't know. I don't know if our government's doing something. I've had a lot of people tell me, well, they're seeding the clouds, so it doesn't rain, or it does, or yada yada. I don't know what's what, honestly. Who knows what our government's doing? We know one dang sure thing they're doing is they're raising the price of gas because it got us in war. In which they're raising the price of everything. 4 years ago, I could put triple the money in the bank that I can do now. And as a retiree, that's big. I'm considering trying to get in at one of the big dairies because they pay a really good wage. Although they probably only would pay me if they would hire somebody my age, would pay me what they pay the others, and the others get a free house and a half a beef a year, and we don't need a free house. But we could sure use a supplement for the price of what they get a month for their housing on their paycheck, so to speak. But I'm sure undoable. So it is what it is, folks. Times have gotten hard for a lot of us, especially us seniors, because our incomes don't go up. Somebody shouldn't be working past 65 years old, but I don't mind working at all, which I do around home, doesn't pay me anything. got a new roof I need to be buying. That's not cheap. So, sun took a dive on us again, guys, but it's a nice afternoon in Ohio, only about 78 degrees or something like that, I guess. What's your weather where you're at? Are you in fall patterns yet? We are. Our crops are great here this year. But, you know, they've been scientifically engineered now for how many years? Our heirloom plants are not. Guys, now we're 30 miles from home. We're running 65 miles an hour and we're getting 43 miles a gallon. I didn't reset it from the in-town, out-of-town driving. So that's what we've got on average on this trip today, 50 miles away and 50 miles home. So it's a really good average at 65 miles an hour for this. I could have reset it just to the road miles and it probably would have said more like 48 miles per gallon. So it's a 3-cylinder Mitsubishi Mirage, guys. We're getting real good mileage. And now they're not making them anymore because they got too good a mileage. Versus our SUV that gets 30 when we're doing good on a warm day. Well, we love it, but we got to drive what saved us the most money. really blessed me in life. He's given me a great son that can tolerate me. And he's a scholar student always, 4.0, and doing well and doing really well at home this summer now. Growing, getting strong, helping carry the load, take some of the load off the old guy here. That's a blessing. And a car that gets 44 to 50 something miles a gallon, again, that's a blessing. And a nice SUV, that's a blessing. So, allowing us freedom to do the things we want, that's a blessing. Alright guys, we're going to stop this. Don't want to keep you guys on here any longer. Have a great one. Come on back.